Yo, hello. Hmm. What you lay on the floor for?
Something on my phone.
Something on your phone?
Yeah,
TikTok?
I'm watching TikTok. Yeah,
Oh, you bored?
yeah.
Oh, so so that's why you on here for a reason because you're bored.
What?
That's why you're on here for a reason because you're bored.
Yeah, that's why I'm on here.
Anyway, how old are you?
Who is that?
Talking to my
Hey,
friends.
how old are you too?
Scope the scenery out.
Why are you scoping the scenery?
Who?
Bro.
She was scoping the scenery out.
I don't care about that. How old are
Can I
y'all?
see your hair?
We're 75.
Okay,
Okay, the hair
opposite
eats.
75. Opposite you 17.
Get
What?
out!
Get out! No! Bye!
Bye bye.
Who is gay?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think y'all gay. Is y'all?
Yeah, no, and god damn it. It's like who out of us look gay? Me or her?
Must be you. Must
Me?
be. Yeah. Is you? Is you gay?
Yeah. Bruh, skip! You fucking ugly
That's
ass fucking.
what time are you crushing you at? What?
Hey, Robert.
Hey, why you say my name like that? It's kind of sexual.
You look zesty.
How?
It's kind of crazy.
Oh,
How
yeah,
old
she
are
got a
y'all?
boyfriend named Robert.
How old are
She
you?
got a boyfriend named Robert.
Oh, for
We 24.
what year y'all born?
12-4. 12-4.
2001.
What did you
When's
just
your
say?
birthday?
2001.
When's your birthday?
What?
2001.
That's a year. What's
No,
your birthday?
what's the day? Like, is your birthday like November the 1st? That's my birthday. December. Uh,
She lying.
is she lagging? She lagging.
All right, how old are you right now? How old are you? You
Me? What did
yeah.
she say?
What I say? Yeah, they look kids. Gonna have to make sure. You say you look. Oh, hey,
What?
what's up? What you doing?
No, what's up? What are you
What,
doing?
nah, chilling. What you doing? Chilling.
I'm just bored.
You try to find some man.
Huh?
You try to find a man.
Mm-mm.
So what you doing here?
What?
So what you doing here? You ain't gonna find no man. What you doing here?
I'm just bored.
Uh,
Literally, I'm just bored.
uh, what's your Instagram? Oh, skip me, please. I want to skip me. I ain't do anything.
Huh?
What's up with people who want to skip me? I ain't do
What?
anything. I said what to skip? I ain't do anything. I thought you could skip me.
What you say?
Oh my god. I said I don't know why people want to skip. I ain't do anything. I thought you could skip me.
Mm-mm.
But anyway, I ain't gonna talk about what's your Instagram.
What?
What's your Instagram? You look like you want somebody to talk to, right? You bored? You want somebody to conversate with you?
Huh?
I
What?
said you look like you want to talk to somebody to conversate. That's what you here for. It says you not
Um.
it says just try not to find a man, or so you just want a friend?
I mean, I was just chilling. I don't know.
You look like you. You look like you want some conversation. I'm here.
Mm.
So
You
how?
think I
What's
should
up?
dye my hair brown?
Huh?
Think I should dye my hair brown?
What your hair? What your look? What your hair look like?
It's black.
Take everything off. You can't. It's already messed up.
No, I don't feel like it.
Uh.
My hair looks like this.
That looks fine. Hey, I want you to follow me too. Since you're on your phone, so try to go on your phone and on Instagram and follow me. Follow you.
Hmm?
I said go on your Instagram and follow me since you on your phone. So you finished school?
Hmm?
Can you hear me, girl?
What you
I say, do you finish school?
say? Am I in school?
Do you finish?
What?
Do you finish school?
No.
What grade you in?
How old are you? How old
21.
are you?
31. So, yeah.
What's that?
What's up? Are you smoking? What type of cigarette? It's vape.
It's weed. It's weed.
Oh, it's a weed.
Yeah.
Uh, what does it taste like when you smoke weed? What does it?
What?
I said, what does it taste like when you smoke weed? What flavor it is? Oh, excuse me, please. I ask you the question. Oh my God, dude. Man, I think I ain't answering.
Yo, I thought he had earrings on for a second.
Huh?
Do you have earrings on?
No, I ain't got no ring.
Or that's your hair?
It's a bee.
It looked like you had earrings on. What?
Imagine. If I have an earring, it'll be a little far from me.
Am I gonna be what?
I say if I was have an earring, it'll be a little fire.
No. Not dangling ones like that. If you get studs.
So you think studs with the earrings look better?
Yes.
No, it's not.
If a nigga was walking around with like earrings like that in his ear, I wouldn't think he like
That's how the
good.
nigga put the earrings on. So how the hell a nigga with the earring don't look fine?
Like and not two. Niggas also that get two holes are gay.
I don't. Nah, I don't do that. Put two earrings on my ear.
Yeah, don't, cause that's that means you like boys.
I guess I ain't gonna get one. Then.
Don't. I'm glad you're taking my advice. Cause I know what I'm
Well,
talking about.
I don't know why you think that was my time.
Yes, I do know what I'm talking about. Jordan was really good.
Well, was
What you
good.
say? What you
What
say?
you said was good?
No, I was talking to you. Can't hear him.
Oh,
Jordan, talk.
I hear. Yo,
Him, he popping it.
he popping it. We popping it.
He's talking a lot of shit.
Uh, who was that? It's your boyfriend?
Ask him.
Uh, yeah. Okay, that's your girlfriend.
Ask her.
Yes, sir. Yes, what you say, yeah.
No, I'm nah. I said ask her.
All right, that's your boyfriend, girl. Yeah.
Ask. What do you mean? It depends who you
It
ask.
depends who you ask.
I already asked her first, so I should have asked him, and I had to ask you again.
I'm
Well,
telling you, it depends who you ask.
I already asked. I was just gonna like, you got boyfriends or not? You know, none of these.
Where's Caddy at?
Ooh,
Caddy,
ball.
Texas. That's in Houston.
Where?
Caddy, Texas, in Houston.
Ooh, I thought he. Wait,
What?
I'm
That's a
slow.
city or that's a city, right?
Nah, that's a part of Houston. It's in the like west coast, it's in the west of Houston, and the
Ah, okay.
outer range of Houston.
I feel you.
Yeah, because I thought
Yeah.
Houston was a place in the.
Hey, you
It
got
is.
Me?
yeah.
I'm not. Oh my gosh.
I say if y'all boyfriend girlfriend, I ain't gonna ask you.
Mm, I'm a little ass girl.
You a little ass
Yeah.
girl.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna leave.
Okay, go ahead.
Man, now this is getting awkward. Like,
Who the fuck is you?
who are you?
How are you?
Who are you?
Show your face.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, bye. What you doing?
Doing my lips.
It's makeup.
Hmm.
Why it look like that? Do you do it right? Can you, like you know how to do it right?
Yes, but you blend it in. You don't keep it like this.
Like that's I'm trying to like understand why it look like that. You got right there on your face right here, and then scar on your lip. Well, like what
Cause
do
I was kind today and I picked it because it's black on my mascara and shit. That's why I put it in on my hair.
you trying to do some scary stuff?
Huh?
What a scary what?
Oh my god, never mind.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Oh,
Hey,
huh?
hey,
Huh?
huh, huh,
Huh?
huh? Okay, stop playing. How old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah. Don't you dare skip me. Uh,
Ooh, period beads a
how old are you?
15.
Why you got them beads
Them
in your
beads.
head and them
Girl,
nigga that's on
why
your
everybody want
chest?
to talk about my bees? Y'all obsessed with my bees or something?
It was
But
a
why you got
question.
nigga naps on your chest
Hey,
though?
why you worried about you so obsessed or
Yeah,
something?
baby, go ahead and cover that up.
Man, you can't tell me what to do,
Huh?
bro. You can't tell me what to do, bro. It looks good on me.
Do it really though?
It is.
Who
You
put that
know,
lie in your
you know
head,
it's
boy?
good.
Shut the hell up for
The
I shut
the
this.
shorties be on you?
What?
Do the shorties be on you?
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, they sure be on me. They like it. Everybody like it. I don't know what y'all think is ugly and shit. Y'all hate me. Obsessive.
Where you from? Where you from?
Houston, where you from?
You from? You said
Houston?
Harrisburg.
What?
You said Harrisburg,
Houston.
Well,
Houston.
Where you from?
Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I see them cicadas. They like you. Like that's what we was talking about. We said show you. That's some them cicadas. Them big ass fat ass bugs like you. I don't know about them females. You know, cause Houston is a strange place. You feel
Female,
me?
yeah, females like me. They, yeah, they
No,
used
baby, I
to.
wasn't talking about no female. I wasn't talking about no females. I was talking about them damn cicadas, babe.
It happened to me, brother. Everybody
On the
like
Them
me.
God.
cicadas be sticking on you like a motherfucking tree, babe.
So where I don't believe what y'all saying, but that never happened.
Right. On my mom. On my soul.
So what you why y'all what you trying to talk? What you trying to say? I need to understand that.
That you're ugly
Hey,
and you need to take them beads out your head and wax them nigga necks off your chest. Can you take your beanie off?
yeah, what do
So
the?
yo,
I bet you got. What
yeah,
do the
what's
braids
wrong
look like
with
or the
your edges? It
twists?
looks ugly as fuck. It's not a part for you become a lady, girl. You fix your edges,
What?
huh? Huh? Yeah, your edges ugly. That's why since you say I'm ugly, I'm gonna talk about your edges, man. Yeah, that's not gonna be in. I ain't gonna get that clip.
Yo,
Big road.
How old are y'all?
I'm 30.
your lying ass up.
Why are you lying, girl?
I'm
Look, what's
16.
your age? Huh?
No, I'm 45. I'm
I'm
45.
16.
All right, I'm lying, bro. Y'all like.
Ain't nothing changed, you see me rockin' with the same niggas. On our grind and we all getting to the figures. Only fam won't see me with no new niggas. If the snakes gotta get 'em.